We can also calibrate this. Hi, welcome to Science in a Cup. So today we are going to make a spin coater, which is in a shape which is very small and portable. It fits in an ice cream box. So the spin coater, so there were several criteria for this spin coater. One, it could go from 500 RPM to 10,000 RPM, because for a future project we need very thin films. So that is one criteria. Second, it should have low power consumption because it needs to be portable. So we are using a 12 volt power supply, 12 volt 2 amps, and also a power bank 5 volt 1 amps. The power bank powers the microcontroller, and the 12 volt powers the BLDC motor, brushless DC motors. Now coming back to the microcontroller, so I am using a Raspberry Pi Pico because it has two cores. So one core can fully engage on the user input and the tachometer, and the second core can be used for the motor, the movement of the BLDC motor or like that. And also for user input, we are using joystick and LCD screen 20x4. Now I said about the power. So BLDC motor draws a huge amount of current, such that it can run nicely. So while starting, it draws a very huge amount of current. To smooth that, I used a capacitor bank. So we'll see the circuit during the video, the circuit breakout, as I explain the circuit. And also, if you like the code, please comment in the comment section. Then I can give my GitHub repository link such that you can download the code and make yourself your own spin coater. So enjoy the video. If you like the video, do subscribe to Science in a Cup. And thank you. Let's enjoy. Let's see the video. Let's enjoy it.